Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video I'm going to try on this wig. If you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So I've actually introduced this style to you before. The only difference is the color. There's a color that I tried on, I think last week. It was black and highlights of one gray, and one of my clients wanted the wig in one gray, so that's why I decided to make this one. So guys, again, just comment down below if you love this wig, and if you do, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you're interested in this wig, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below, so you can contact me and I'll make it for you. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.